Student, how are you? This is Amita. Today's session, class 6, chapter 8, will taken from NCERT solution body movement. Here some showing on your screen. This is some question of answer, and you will can easily get this video with this video. So let's start part 1, chapter 6, class 6, chapter 8, body movement. So let's start. Here showing on your screen, this is a very clearly description here. First question we will take. Firstly, if there are no joints, then will be possible to move. Okay, if there are no joints, then will be to possible to move. Answer here, no, it is not possible. This is a no, it is not possible. You can see on your screen. This is a no, it is not possible. The first question, if there are no joints in our body, then will it be possible to move? So answer, no, it is not possible. And question 6, can bones be bent? No, bones cannot be bent here. No, bones cannot be bent. Can we bend our body at every part? No, we can bend our body only at joints. Okay. Can we bend our body at every part? No. Question 7. You can see on your screen. This is a very important question of class 6. Can we bend our body at every part? No, we can bend our body only at joint. And question 8, how many types of joint are there? There are 5 types of joint in our body. Okay, there are 5 types of joints in our body. So let's revise. If there are no joints, then will it be possible to move? No, it is not possible to move. Okay, can bones be bent? No, bones cannot be bent. Can we bend our body at every part? No, we can bend our body only at joint. Remember this, only at joints our body we can bend. Okay, how many types of joint are there in our body? There are 5 types of joint in our body. So this is a very important function. Okay, there are important question, and next part we will some question know about, we will some question and answer. So this is a very important part. You can easily note down this. If there are no joints, then it will possible to move. No, it is not possible to move. Okay, no, it is not possible to move. You can see, not possible to move. Can bones be bent? No, bones cannot be bent. Can we bend our body at every part? No, we can bend our body only at joints. How many types of joints are there? There are 5 types of joint in our body. So we will end this video here. Hope all this question of answer is very easily solved here, and you can easily note down and keep in mind. Next part, this is a part 1, and next part 2 we will come about some question answers. So before I end this video, I will request you all, please subscribe, like and more, share and press red button for upcoming notification. Thank you.